In this lecture, I am going to cover upon uh, mechanisms and inversions. I will write the title Mechanisms and Inversions. We will now see what is a mechanism and what is an inversion. We will see the example of IC engine and the corresponding inversion for that, right? So, let us consider this is the crank of an IC engine and this is a piston, right? So this is piston, this is crank, and this is connecting rod, right? This is IC engine mechanism. IC engine mechanism. In IC engine mechanism, the crank is a driver. Driver is crank and the driven is piston. Right? When the crank rotates like this, the piston reciprocates like this. Right? So the crank is the driver and piston is the follower or driven. Right? So in an IC engine, I made a mistake. The crank, the driver is the piston. Driver is the piston and driven is the crank. Right? In an IC engine, the piston first reciprocate and it is converted into the rotational motion of the crank. So piston is the driver and driven is the crank or the follower is the crank, right? This is called as IC engine mechanism. So the same thing, if it is reversed or inverted, that is the driver is converted as the driven and the driven is converted as the driver, then what will happen? So that it will become a compressor mechanism, right? It will become, I'll put it in some other color so that it will differentiate, right? Air compressor. The same mechanism, only thing is the driver and driven is interchanged, right? So here driver is crank in the case of air compressor, right? And the for driven or follower is piston, right? In the case of air compressor, the crank is rotated by a motor, electric motor, and the piston compresses the air into the tank and it is called as the reciprocating air compressor. So here air compressor is the inversion of IC engine mechanism, right? And if you take IC engine mechanism, if you take air compressor as a mechanism, then IC engine will be the inversion of air compressor, right? What you do, you think of any mechanism. In the case of air compressor mechanism, driver is crank and driven is piston. You just invert it, and the inversion of this mechanism is nothing but IC engine, where the driver is piston and the driven is crank, right? So for any mechanism, when it is reversed or inverted, it is called as the inversion of that particular mechanism, right? So, as I told you, the air compressor is the inversion of IC engine mechanism, and IC engine is the inversion of air compressor mechanism. So now we will see what is the mechanism first, right? What is a mechanism? What is called a mechanism? What is called a mechanism? It is a definition. It is a chain with only 1 degree of freedom, right? It is a chain with only 1 degree of freedom. That is, you take the case of IC engine, right? It will be like this, right? Here, this is a piston, this is a crank, this is a connecting rod, right? This is the connecting rod. In this, let us assume for any particular angle of theta, the position of crank, connecting rod and piston, everything is fixed, right? Everything is fixed. For a given theta, the position of crank, connecting rod and piston, all those things are fixed. Can it change? It cannot change, right? So here, the degree of freedom is only one variable theta, where you change the position of this, the relative position of everything is fixed, right? Instead of fixing theta, let us assume this particular position you fix, then automatically it becomes theta, right? So by fixing any one link in the mechanism, the relative position of all the other links are fixed, right? So only one variable in this mechanism is sufficient to fix the relative position of all the links, right? Such kind of a chain with only 1 degree of freedom like this is called a mechanism. I'll tell you another example, right? You assume there is a kinematic chain that is with 4 turning pairs and 4 links like this, right? 4 turning pairs like this, right? Right? Here also, see, if you take this position as theta, then the relative position of all the other links are fixed, right? So this is also a mechanism, right? Then let us assume this is extended further like this, and you take another link like this, right? You take another link like this. Now also, if theta is defined, then the position of all these links are fixed, right? Can it change? See, once this is fixed, will these two change? It cannot change, right? So one variable theta is sufficient to fix the relative position of all the links, right? So it is a chain with only 1 degree of freedom. Such a chain is called as kinematic chain. Kinematic chain, right? A chain with only 1 degree of freedom is called as kinematic chain, right? It is called as kinematic chain. Okay? So this is how. So all kinematic chains are mechanisms only, right? Any kinematic chain, in other words, it is called as a mechanism, right? So I will tell you an example where it is not a kinematic chain, right? So simple chain, right? You take a simple chain, right, which is not kinematic. All of you know bicycle chain, right? Bicycle chain which is used to ride the cycle, right? So which is giving the drive to the cycle, bicycle chain, right? In the case of bicycle chain, it has got so many number of links like this, right? So it has got so many number of links like this, right? So it will be like this, right? So it will be like this. So see, in this chain, it is an open chain, right? Or it is not, though it is not an open chain, It is only a chain, simply a chain, right? The position, see, any link can be disturbed like anything, right? Is there any, if suppose this link is disturbed, these links may not be disturbed, right? So the position of this, even if you change it, the relative position of all other things are not defined, right? So this is only a simple chain. This is not a kinematic chain, not kinematic, right? This is not kinematic, right? Not kinematic chain, right? Not kinematic. This is not kinematic. It is a simple chain, right? This is a simple chain, right? So these are mechanisms, and this is not a mechanism, right? So a mechanism is a kinematic chain having only one degree of freedom, right? So this is how I explained. Now I will explain some more mechanisms and inversions to you, right? So let us assume a simple 4-bar chain like this, right? A simple 4-bar chain with 4 turning paths and 4 links. This is link 1, this is link 2, link 3, link 4. This is fixed link, right? Here, by fixing this link, one mechanism can be formed, and by fixing this link, for example, this is one mechanism, right? This is one mechanism. This is one mechanism, or you call it as mechanism 1. Mechanism 1. The second mechanism is, instead of fixing this, right, the same link 1, you can fix link 2, right? This can be fixed, right? The same thing like this, right? Like this. So link 2 is fixed and link 1 is not fixed, right? Now this is mechanism 2, right? This is mechanism 2, right? This is mechanism 2. If you take the same thing, if you, okay, so it is like this, right? So you fix this link, this is mechanism 3, right? This is link 2, 1, 3, 4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, link 3 is fixed. Now it is mechanism 3. By fixing link 4, you will get one more mechanism, right? So like this, in a mechanism or in a kinematic chain, if 4 links are there, then 4 different mechanisms are possible, right? So if 4 different mechanisms are there, then for that 4 different inversions are possible, right? So for this particular mechanism, if you take, here, let us assume this is the driver, right? This is a driver. Then this will be the driven, right? This will be the driven. What is this mechanism called? Rotary oscillatory mechanism. Rotary oscillatory mechanism, right? See, I tell you, in the case of this, let us assume the crank revolves like this, right? The crank revolves like this. If it is revolving like this, then what will happen? This link will oscillate like this, right? When it is revolving like this will oscillate like this. So driver is rotary, so rotary, driven is oscillatory, so rotary oscillatory mechanism, right? The same thing, if the 4 is fixed and if the instead of fixing this link, if the opposite link is fixed, then what will one minute, sorry. Okay. So if this link is fixed, then also, or we will do one thing. Yes, for inversion, what we should do, instead of taking this as driver, this should be driver and this should be driven, right? So by oscillating this, this driver will rotate, right? So for mechanism 1, right, inversion is driver is link 4 here and driven is link 1, right? So here for rotary oscillatory mechanism, the inversion is called oscillatory rotary mechanism. Okay, so like this, by fixing this, you will get oscillatory mechanism. If you invert it, once again it will be oscillatory mechanism, right? So like this, for 4 different mechanisms are possible in the case of a 4-bar kinematic chain, and for 4 different mechanisms, 4 different inversions are possible, right? So for any mechanism you can think of, there is always an inversion for that, right? So so now I have explained you what is a mechanism and what is an inversion. So when the driver and driven are interchanged in a mechanism, it is called as the inversion of that mechanism, right? With this, it's over. Thank you.